Netizens sa'yo, like projects that you could possibly do kasi it just shows how versatile you are. So what are your thoughts on that na pati yung netizens and yung fans mo, ang dami rin gustong ideas?
I'm so grateful. As in, I have the best fans and they really try to understand me as a person, you know, na parang hindi ako active online, you know, na parang medyo private ako as a person and yung mga projects ko hindi talaga siya accessible for a lot of people, the festival films or whatever. And even yung music ko, it's rap, it's not for everyone. Pero they really still try to support me. And nakatulong yun eh. I guess it keeps me inspired also kasi having people believe in you, hindi yun dumarating lagi. And if people believe in you, I don't want to let them down. Pero yeah, magiging love triangle ako soon. Tuturo ko ba? Masal ba? Ito, pero may mas formal announcement pa kami niyan. Hello Heaven, I'm working again with Director Neta and Julia and Enrique. So yeah.
Too much details. Ano yung magiging role mo dito sa Hello Heaven?
Palagay na ba?
Wala pa.
Set to be revealed na lagay eh.
Oo.
I guess bawal pa. Kasi
pero third
bawal
wheel
pa
ba?
po. Bawal pa daw.
Third wheel ba?
Bawal pa daw po. Secret lang.
Bawal. Hindi
Pero
natin na ano.
papakinig ka ba dito? Bad?
Basta I know, I would say it's a light show. It's a
light
family show.
Okay.
It's in the spirit of shows like May Bukas Pa or 100 Days to Heaven. In that spirit lang. I'm talking about tone na. I'm talking about the vibe lang. I'm talking about the vibe. Yeah, I guess wala pang pwede sabihin. Ito lang. Yung tatlong yan and Director Neta.
Pero have you met Julia and Ken?
I've met Julia a couple times. We've hung out a couple times. Very close din sila ni Mel. Tapos si Ken, I met nung MMFF Awards lang.
Nag-host sila sa Itbulaga.
Tsaka nasa Itbulaga sila na ako pareho. So, si Ken I met nung MMFF Awards lang.
Tsaka nagsama sila din sa teleserye before.
Nagsikhan pa.
Speaking of
First, congrats sa success ng Sunshine.
Thank you so
So
much.
to start, how is it like doing that film?
Crazy kasi it's an advocacy that I really believe in also. So when it was offered, it was an immediate yes despite yung role nga. Kasi syempre pag may nag-offer yung maliit lang yung role, ganyan. Honestly, sometimes when the project is really strong, like I just want to be part of it. Like masabi ko lang parte ako ng pelikula na to, masaya na ako. And Sunshine is one of those projects, you know, like directed by Anthony Madame, who made a brilliant film, and Maurice was really amazing in it. Jenica was amazing. The whole cast was amazing. Papa Peach was amazing in it. So I'm just grateful and I feel blessed to be part of a movie that says so much and daming pinaglalaban, and I think it's starting a conversation. I think it was successful. When we screened it nung Berlinale, nung Feb, sa Berlin, ang hope lang namin, lahat ng tanong ay, napalabas na ba ito sa Pinas? Napalabas na ba ito? Lahat kami parang hindi namin nga alam kung mapapalabas ba namin siya because of the topic. Dahil yung censorship board dito, minsan, di ba, medyo strict sila talaga. But thankfully, nabigyan ng nationwide release and ng R16 rating. And thankful sa Filipino audience na sumuporta ng sariling atin. Alam mo yun, thankful na dumayo talaga yung mga tao sa SM Cinemas just to support this film. Kahit wala sila masyadong alam about it aside from the cast maybe and na gymnast or whatever. Pero they supported it. And it's not the usual, you know, Filipino hit. Pero, you know, okay, successful yung Sunshine. We had a celebratory dinner last night with Rolling Stone. And sarap ng pagkain, by the way, kung may Rolling Stone dito. Sarap. And it was very fun. Nakaka-proud si Director Net. Super.
And also, balita ko, may sabi ni Director Net sa isang tweet, may mga ad-lib ka daw dito. So, paano mo nilaro yung character ni Miggy dito?
Paano nilaro? I try to make him more human kasi syempre when you read a character like that, ang daling sabihin na, ay, ano to, sa mga ugali ng batang to, di ba? Parang nang-iwan sa ere, ganyan. But syempre, he's a kid, you know? How will you deal with something like that? Tapos given pa na si Piolo Pascual tatay mo, di ba? Mababatukan ka nun. And pastor pa siya doon, so doon ko china-channel yung time na yun. And during that scene lang naman, actually, a lot of it, yung last scene ko with spoiler na, nakanood na ba ng Sunshine mga tao? I think so naman. Yeah, kasi now on its 5th week, guys. Still up. Crazy also. Joke lang siya dati, pero now on its 5th week na talaga siya. Going on its 5th week. Anyway, yun lang yung mga God bless ko, mga amen, yung gano'n. Kasi nandun ako I was trying to channel that energy, yung kinakabahan and wanting to say the right things for his father and also for Maurice. For Sunshine, right? So, dalawang tao piniplease niya, tapos yung amen is something na feeling ko magugustuhan ng pastor na tatay na agree ako sa'yo, so amen. Tapos kahit sa Berlin, tumawa yung mga tao, kaya sasabi ko pwede talaga ako mag-comedy. Pero wala pang naniniwala. Sana po, sana po.
And yun, speaking of Mickey, of course, marami na namang nainis dito sa character mo na to with some saying na parang lagi na lang daw try to reword it na parang red flag na young father, yung rules na election. How do you react to those comments?
Casual take. That means hindi pa nila napapanood yung mga gawa ko. You know, that means they've only seen Senior High, they've only seen Batang Quiapo, and they've only seen Sunshine. But, not to brag, but marami na rin ako nagawang ibang characters, you know, na hindi lang pumapasok din sa archetypes na yun, sa stereotypes na yun. And ito, like, itong mga to, like, who was that? Someone told me recently, I think it was Ada Bianca Gonzalez, na parang, she was like, you should do something na mabait ka naman. So ito na yun, guys. Mabait ako dito sa mga pelikula na to, except dito, syempre. Pero mabait ako generally sa lahat ng mga ginagawa ko nowadays. Kung hindi mo mabait, like, going through something, you know, na struggling, and easier to empathize with kaysa sa mga masasamang ugali na characters medyo. So yeah, we're working on it.
Sorry, and last question na lang. Meron sa sobrang daming awards na, and dami mo nang napatunayan sa acting, meron ka bang role or project na natatakot kang tanggapin, ganyan?
Ooh. Whoa. Parang, well, so far, wala. Siyempre, like, so as a Leo, gusto ko talaga ng challenge. Gusto ko nang mahirap. Yung kapag ma-offeran ka ng something na matatakot ka, parang mas lalo kong gustong gawin. Like, kumaring About Us, when it was offered, I was scared to do it. Pero, mas naka-challenge lalo. Mas gusto ko tuloy siyang gawin. So, I guess dun din yung drive pumapasok na pag mas feeling ko hindi ko kaya, mas gusto kong gawin. So, ganun yung mindset.
Thank you, Elijah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. God bless. Okay pa po ba kayo?
Hello!
Okay pa ba? Hola!
Hi!
Hola!
First, una-una, I will let Rolling Stone know that you love their food.
Yes.
They actually have something for you here.
God bless Rolling Stone.
Yeah. So I wanted to ask you are a learned man. Like you went to school for for your acting, but let's say you're talking to people, to kids who are going to school for the arts. What's something that you think genuinely can't be taught in school? Something that you had to learn yourself.
Wow. Grabe naman yung tanong na yun. Di ako magaling magturo. Parang I've been invited to a lot of talks and I feel like I don't deserve it. I feel like hindi ko ma-articulate na maayos yung mga experiences ko din. And hindi ko alam kung tatawid pa yung kung paano ako nakarating sa ganito sa ibang tao. But, something na hindi tinuturo generally is being kind. Is being kind to yourself and your collaborators. Because filmmaking is not just a one-man, project. Dami yung nagtatrabaho to make a film. Even music, hindi ka lang din mag-isa when you make music. So, I think that's something that they don't really teach. Kaya nagkakaroon ng mga toxic environments, whether theater, film set, or studio, dahil hindi talaga siya tinuturo. Parang given na kasi, I guess, pinalaki tayo na dapat alam natin kindness is essential. But nowadays, parang hindi. Parang not a lot of people think that it's essential. A lot of people are survivalists. A lot of people try to protect themselves from a lot of things. And being selfless, being kind is not really on top of anyone's list nowadays. Kaya that's something maybe that I would tell them. That's something that I would preach.